Today we have a really nice free Lightroom preset named Velvia, inspired by the Fujichrome Velvia 100 film. We're going to take a look at that. Then we're going to jump into the creative flow, play around with some professional Lightroom presets and profiles. Let's get to our free one first. Here's before and here's after. Before and after, really nice and vibrant emulation. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. Now we're going to go to the creative flow. We got all our presets here and we'll get to our profiles in one moment. Let's start with the Fuji inspired presets. And here we have the Velvia 100. Really nice and colorful, vibrant film, and you can get different looks. This one has more of a lifted look, before and after. So when we click that, you're going to notice you get an adjustable preset and you get a profile. I'm going to boost up the preset quite a bit. 160 just brings in more skin tone. Then looking at our profiles, you can see you get a profile loaded in. Cool thing is you can use the profile on its own. Let's say you have a lot of grain and you don't want to bring in more grain from the preset. Simply use the profile. In this case, we can use it to add more color like so, or we can swap out any of the profiles. Looking at the chroma profiles, these add a nice film fade. If you want to get creative, let's try from the Chroma Pro. So you can see the changes. So let's say you wanted stock. There's 100. There's without. You can bring it in just to add a creative look to your photo. Let's take a look at before and after. Here's before and here's after. Before and after. Really beautiful colors in the Fujichrome Velvia 100 inspired preset and profile. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this preset and also put a link to the creative flow, which has over 1200 Lightroom presets and 1200 Lightroom profiles. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.